This video is intended to provide an example of how blank spaces in digital materials can have a negative impact with screen magnification. A common problem reported by screen magnification users has to do with websites and digital materials that are designed with large blank areas with no landmarks to help with scrolling. Let's see an example of how easy it can be for a screen magnification user to lose their place when navigating through digital materials, and how this can have an impact on the provision of equitable access. A user who is not using screen magnification always knows where to go to find their content because they always have full view of all of the content on the screen at the same time. Now let's see if a screen magnification user has that same access when there is a digital material with large blank spaces on the left and right. In this case, the screen magnification user is zoomed in to the default 200%. And if they travel all the way to the left of this screen, they can still see landmarks, even if they scroll down where the content is mostly in the middle of the screen. They can still see the landmarks, so they know where to go to find the content. When they scroll all the way over to the right side of the screen, they still always have a landmark. Let's see what happens if they have to zoom in any further. Now, if they get over all the way to the left part of the screen and they scroll down, they get into that large blank area. They're zoomed in far enough to where they can't see any of the content. So now they might not know if they need to scroll left, right, up, or down. And the same occurs if they go far enough on the right. Now let's take a look at the docked view option with the default 200% magnification. If the screen magnification user keeps their eyes focused in the docked portion of the magnified content near the top of the screen, at 200% magnification, they can scroll all the way to the left and still have a landmark to see a portion of the content. The same will occur if they navigate their cursor all the way to the right. Now let's see what happens if they increase their percentage to 300%. Now, when they scroll all the way to the left and down far enough, there is the opportunity for the user to get lost in the blank area. The same goes for the large blank area on the right side of the screen. So blank areas don't work well with screen magnification sometimes. Should we eliminate all materials with blank spaces? What if someone prefers the clean and orderly look that design provides? We don't have to eliminate materials. Instead, we could choose a variety of materials to meet the visual needs of our diverse student population.